Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of altcoins, the game changers that could supercharge your crypto journey. Now, let me drop some truth bombs. Making serious gains in altcoins is an art, and timing is everything. In the current bear market, the burning question on every savvy investor's mind is, when's the right moment to snag those potential 100x gems before the bulls come charging in? Fear not, because we're about to unravel a few key metrics that scream accumulation time and give you a taste of the staggering gains waiting in the wings for the next bull market. First things first, let me lay it out. We're not your financial guru, and this isn't financial advice. It's pure crypto education crafted to turbocharge your crypto quest. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Knowing when to accumulate altcoins is like deciphering the crypto market's secret code, and it boils down to one thing: understanding where we stand in the crypto market cycle. As you crypto veterans know, we ride the waves of a 4-year cycle, supposedly dictated by the Bitcoin halving that rolls around every 4 years. If you're vibing with this, show some love by smashing that like button. Now, let's rewind to the last Bitcoin halving in May 2020. Brace yourself. BTC soared by around 7x. ETH catapulted more than 20x, and altcoins like ADA shot up by a jaw-dropping 100x or more. And here's the kicker: the next Bitcoin halving is slated for April next year. But hold your horses before you hit that buy button on altcoins. There are crucial factors to consider. First off, not every crypto cycle follows the script. Some are fashionably late, others leave the party early. The current crypto bear market, well, it's been stretching its legs longer than usual. Why, you ask? Well, blame it on crypto cozying up to macro factors. Big players have RSVP'd to the crypto party, making its price dance in tune with other heavyweight assets, especially tech stocks. And here's the plot twist: if tech stocks take a nosedive, the crypto scene might not catch the next bull train. However, the twisty road doesn't end there. While crypto has been tripping the light fantastic with macro factors, it's also been strutting its stuff solo. BTC barely flinched at a higher than expected CPI print, but threw a 10% party on the rumors of a spot Bitcoin ETF listing. Classic evidence that crypto's been dancing to its own beat. But, and it's a big but, the bearish factors, especially regulatory woes, could be the party poopers for a while. If you've been tuning into our crypto regulation sagas, you'd know the hurdles ain't disappearing anytime soon. Even a spot Bitcoin ETF listing, the potential game changer, might not happen until the regulatory dust settles. Now, onto our second nugget of wisdom: Bitcoin and altcoins. Picture this. In the risky world of crypto, BTC is the knight in shining armor, the safe haven when the market's on a roller coaster ride. It's the go-to spot when things get rocky. But here's the twist: your altcoin's fate is somewhat tied to Bitcoin's mood swings. BTC is the puppet master, pulling the strings. When Bitcoin takes center stage, altcoins might just take a back seat. But hold on, there's more to the crypto saga: the symbiotic relationship between Bitcoin and altcoins. While Bitcoin hogs the spotlight, altcoins eagerly await their turn. It's a tale of anticipation, waiting for the domino effect. And here's where our hero, the spot Bitcoin ETF, enters the scene. It's the curtain raiser for a colossal bull market, a beacon in the dark for what's inevitably coming. In a nutshell, here's a pro tip: buckle up for a wild ride. Arthur Hayes, the maestro of crypto predictions, hinted at Chinese New Year in mid-February as the potential moment of truth for that extra credit magic in China. Let's zoom in on the Bitcoin world, but buckle up because the journey is as unpredictable as ever. One of the most thrilling events on our crypto calendar is the Bitcoin halving, set to dazzle us sometime in April next year. Brace yourselves, as the suspense leading up to this moment is bound to send investor interest in BTC soaring. And here's the kicker: the SEC has a crucial decision looming on BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF application, conveniently scheduled just before the Bitcoin halving spectacle. What does this cosmic alignment spell for altcoins? Well, it's a bit of a seesaw. As BTC's gravitational pull strengthens, the allure of altcoins might experience a temporary eclipse. In practical terms, brace for potential altcoin price dips. with some plummeting by a staggering 50% or more if the crypto market takes another dramatic plunge. But, and it's a big but, once the Bitcoin halving has had its curtain call, history whispers a different tale. Bitcoin tends to ascend to its glory, and the moolah starts flowing into altcoins. Investors, emboldened by the momentum, begin dancing on the wild side of this already audacious asset class. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. This pivot to altcoins yearns for a catalyst, a spark to ignite the flamboyant altcoin dance. If you were crypto surfing in 2020, you'd vividly remember the DeFi thunderclap. Decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, unleashed a frenzy, showering tokens with mind-bending gains and staking interest rates that felt almost mythical. The summer of DeFi set off a domino effect, unleashing an altcoin bull market, with so-called Ethereum killers like Solana stealing the spotlight. Ironically, the original DeFi tokens stumbled, never reclaiming their former glory. If history's DJ hits replay, the next altcoin gala might kick off with a crypto niche stealing the limelight. In case you missed our scoop on the crypto niches to watch for the next bull run, we're placing our bets on the rise of so-called Solana killers, DeFi protocols, and the blossoming world of decentralized social media. I'll spill the beans on why in just a moment. Now, peering through the telescope of the Bitcoin altcoin cycle offers different perspectives. The trusty Bitcoin dominance meter is a nifty gauge, measuring how much of the crypto universe is wrapped in BTC's embrace. Brace yourself. Bitcoin dominance has been flexing its muscles since last September, eyeing a potential rise to 56%. Another lens to focus on the cycle dynamics is the ETH-BTC pair. It's like the heartbeat of the altcoin ecosystem, showcasing ETH's value measured in BTC. Keep your eyes peeled on these indicators, guys, because the next chapter in the Bitcoin altcoin saga is about to unfold. Whether it's altcoins taking the stage or Bitcoin reclaiming its throne, the crypto world is always ready to surprise. Narratives in crypto are like shooting stars, abundant, fleeting, and captivating. While it's too early to predict the dominant narratives, one contender for the next bull run's blockbuster could be privacy. Picture this: big investors, the central banks, and the elite wanting their crypto balances shielded from prying eyes. Privacy solutions, even for the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, might become the silver lining. Imagine a scenario where Solana killers reign supreme, and one introduces privacy features. That's a moonshot. Narratives, however, don't always need an intricate plot. Just peek at the metaverse hype. Facebook's Meta announcement sent every metaverse-related crypto on a stellar journey. More recently, air-related cryptos soared on the wings of ChatGPT hype. As you embark on your crypto quest, remember, ask not just which altcoins you want to accumulate, but which ones new investors will crave when the crypto bull market begins anew. Research, explore, and compile a list of viable cryptos. All right, let's break it down from the top, guys. When it comes to measuring historical gains, picture this. The crypto journey unfolds like a series of celestial cycles, each marked by zones of support and resistance. In the first cycle, BTC's peak in 2017 hit the heights of 20K from a humble 1K zone, a stellar 20x surge. Fast forward to the second cycle, and BTC's key zone sits at a cool 10K, with the 2021 peak touching the sky at 70K, a 7x spectacle. Now, here's the twist. BTC, like a seasoned star, shows diminishing returns over time. It's the cosmic law of maturation in action. Following this cosmic principle, BTC is poised for a 3x leap from its current key zone around 40K to its next celestial peak. Quick math whispers a BTC price of around 120K, aligning with the prophecies. Now, let's zoom in on Ethereum. Echoing BTC's cosmic rhythm, Ethereum displays its own beat. In the previous cycle, ETH found its grounding around $250, ascending to a majestic 5K in 2021. Mirroring BTC's footsteps, ETH's key zone for this cycle orbits around 5K, a 10x expansion from the past. Brace yourselves because a 7x surge could unveil an ETH peak around 15K. Now, entering the stage are the so-called Ethereum killers, led by the likes of Cardano's ADA. Picture this: ADA, witnessed a meteoric 100x ascent from 3 cents to $3 between cycles. Now, ADA's key zone for the current cycle centers around $120. If Cardano twirls in Ethereum's footsteps, a 20x could unfold, unveiling an ADA peak nearing $24, a leap that may seem modest, but when viewed against the current value of 25, it's almost a 100x spectacle. Before you get too excited, remember, these predictions are just possibilities. No one can accurately predict how high these cryptocurrencies will go. It's uncertain and depends on factors we can't control, both in the crypto world and the larger economy. In the world of predictions, rapid price changes can make some people rich, but leave others struggling. Your goal is to be in the first group. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and for safety, keep your cryptocurrencies in your own wallet. Centralized platforms can be unpredictable, so it's best to play it safe. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for today. And remember, the future of finance is here with KTC.